I got you water. You didn't wash last night.
Sorry.
Help yourself to breakfast. How did you do that? Did you incant a spell in your mind?
I don't know any spells.
So what did you do?
It just happened.
Well, we better keep you out of trouble. You can help me until I find some paid work for you. Here, hollyhock and feverfew for Lady Percival. This is for Sir Olwen. He's as blind as a weevil, so warn him not to take it all at once.
Okay.
And here. Off you go. And Merlin, I need hardly tell you that the practice of any form of enchantments will get you killed.
I brought you your medicine. But the guy said don't drink it all. Okay. I'm sure it's fine.
Where's the target? There, sir. It's into the sun. But it's not that bright. A bit like you, then. Put the target down the other end, shall I, sir? This'll teach him.
Hey, hang on!
Don't stop.
Here?
Told you to keep moving. Come on. Run. You want some moving target practice?
Hey, come on, that's enough.
What?
You've had your fun, my friend.
Do I know you?
I'm Marlin.
So I don't know you.
No.
Yet you called me friend.